Hello everyone, my name is Lita Yunisi, and today I'm going to talk about something we all know as online gaming. The title of my presentation is Play It Right, Do's and Don'ts in Online Gaming. Let's get started. So, why did I choose this topic? First, because it's very relatable. A lot of us play online games every day. Students, teenagers, even adults. The makes this topic easy to understand and connect with. Second, online gaming is a hot topic. It's always trending, especially when we talk about toxic players, cheating, or going AFK. These issues often go viral on social media and gaming platforms. Third, I wanted to make our presentations that's both fun and educational. Gaming is entertaining, but there are also important lessons we can learn, like respect, teamwork, and responsibility. This topic is also supported by real-life examples, memes, screenshots, and video clips that can help make this presentation more engaging and enjoyable. And finally, it promises a positive gaming environment. By learning the do's and don'ts, we can become better players and build a more supportive community. Let's start with the do's, the things we should do. First, always be respectful and use polite language. In online games, we meet people from different places and cultures. By being respectful, we help keep the game fun for everyone. Next, work together with your team. Most games require teamwork. If we don't cooperate, it becomes very difficult to win and nobody enjoys a toxic team. Always play fair, don't cheat or abuse bugs. Cheating not only ruins the experience for others, but it can also get your account banned. It's just not worth it. Help new players. We all start as beginners at some point, so instead of bullying or ignoring them, let's help them. This creates a better and more welcoming gaming community. Protect your account and your personal data. Use strong password and never share your login info. Your gaming account is valuable and you need to keep it safe. Now let's move on to the don'ts, the things we should avoid. First, don't be toxic. Don't insult or harass other players. Toxic behavior ruins the fun and makes others feel bad. Let's spread positivity, not hate. Don't go AFK or disconnect on purpose. When you lose the game, you let your team down, and it's very frustrating for others. Be responsible and stay until the game ends. Don't use cheats, hacks, or third-party APIs. They may give you an unfair advantage, but they are against the rules and can get you permanently banned. And finally, don't ignore your real-life responsibilities. Gaming is fun, but don't forget about school, work, or family. Always balance your time wisely. So that's it for my presentation. Let's play it right. Be respectful, play fair, and support each other. Thank you for your attention, and I hope you enjoy your gaming experience in a more positive and responsible way. Thank you.